picture. This is Ranwell eating
mango.
Mango. How do you like your mango, Ranwell?
Very good.
Very good. What else can you say about your mango?
Eating. Eating my mango.
What can you say about it? Ranwell, is that the right way of eating your mango?
No.
Then why are you doing like that?
So I will. So, Mama.
Oh, yung buto kainin mo na. Yung buto kainin mo na lang. That is the buto. Oh, ano pa masasabi mo? Dali, kinukuha na kita ng video.
You don't eat this black thing before you throw up.
Oh, you're going to throw up. Patanggal mo kay Mama. Yeah. Okay ka na? Tapos ka na?
I'm not.
Can you smile? Can I see your smile?